Cookbook for the Universe. 5 Key Principles of the Cookbook for the Universe. The Cookbook for the Universe presents a transformative perspective on the forces and dimensions that shape reality. At its core, the book introduces foundational principles that bridge the smallest particles with the vastest galaxies, creating a unified understanding of the cosmos. These principles are explored in depth throughout the book and serve as the framework for understanding the universe as a cohesive, interconnected whole. By Ryan Carl Daly. 1. Aka, Essay on Relative Gravity to describe the mechanics of the universe. 5.1 Symmetry, the cornerstone of natural laws. Symmetry is not just a mathematical abstraction, but the essence of the universe's design. It governs interactions across all scales, ensuring balance and coherence in everything from the spin of electrons to the orbital dance of celestial bodies. Symmetry links microcosmic dynamics to the grand orchestration of galaxies, preserving harmony amid apparent chaos. It provides the scaffolding for natural laws, enabling the universe to evolve as an interconnected, comprehensible whole. 5.2 Interconnectedness of microcosmic and macrocosmic forces. The universe operates as a seamless continuum, where the intricate dance of atomic interactions mirrors the choreography of galactic formations. The same principles governing the smallest particles extend to shape the largest cosmic structures. This interconnectedness reveals the universe as a vast, interdependent network, binding quarks to black holes. Understanding this unity unlocks deeper insights into how the universe evolves not as disparate systems, but as a cohesive whole driven by shared principles. 5.3 The evolutionary nature of forces and dimensions. Forces and dimensions are not static but evolve dynamically with the universe. Forces adapt. Forces like gravity, electromagnetism, and nuclear forces adapt to changes in the universe's configuration, such as energy distribution, matter formation, and spatial contexts. Dimensions transform. Space and time are dynamic, shaping and being shaped by the forces within them. For instance, space expands in response to gravity, and time flows cyclically as described by the delta phenomenon. Relative gravity and the delta phenomenon. Relative gravity views forces as polymorphic, inheriting and adapting properties across scales. The delta phenomenon explains how entities emerge and evolve iteratively, emphasizing symmetry and conservation. Dynamic interdependence. Forces and dimensions influence each other. As the universe expands, gravitational interactions weaken over vast distances, subtly altering the dimensions of space and time. This perspective reimagines the universe as a living, adaptive system where forces and dimensions co-create the fabric of existence. By Ryan Carl Daly. 2. Cookbook for the Universe. 5.4 Relative Gravity and the Dimension of Time. Relative gravity integrates the dynamic interplay of gravity with the evolving nature of time, offering perspectives beyond classical and relativistic theories. A. Time as a dimension. Time is not linear, but a dynamic dimension influenced by cosmic and quantum interactions, iterating and evolving alongside the universe. B. Gravity shapes time. Gravity modulates the flow of time. Near intense gravitational fields, such as black holes, time can stretch or compress, aligning with observed phenomena like time dilation. C. Iterative time. Time evolves alongside the universe through manifold interactions, building upon past states and shaping future ones. D. Practical implications. This framework reframes the Big Bang as part of a broader cyclic process, where time and gravity co-evolve, shaping the life cycle of the universe. 5.5 Harmonic mean as a universal principle. The harmonic mean transcends its mathematical roots to emerge as a universal principle governing balance, symmetry, and proportionality. A. Natural applications. The harmonic mean appears in orbital mechanics, resonances, and velocities, wave frequencies, harmonics in sound and light, population dynamics, equilibrium in growth and resource distribution. B. In relative gravity, it serves as a foundation for equilibrium and gravitational interactions, harmonizing energy, time, and mass in evolving systems. C. Philosophical implications. The harmonic mean symbolizes interconnectedness, emphasizing balance and proportionality as fundamental to the universe's structure. 5.6 Object-oriented perspective of reality. Inspired by computer science, this framework treats the universe as an object-oriented system where forces, particles, and celestial bodies interact dynamically through shared properties. Objects as entities. Every particle, celestial body, or system is an object with defined properties like mass, energy, and spatial position. Inheritance and polymorphism. By Ryan Carl Daly. 3. Aka, Essay on Relative Gravity to describe the mechanics of the universe. Universal laws apply across scales, but properties like gravity manifest differently based on context, for example, quantum versus galactic scales. Encapsulation of dimensions. Objects encapsulate dimensions, time, space, and interact through their relative positions and energies, providing coherence across phenomena. 5.7 Beyond 20th Century Science. The 20th century brought us quantum mechanics, relativity, and the Standard Model, illuminating much of the physical world. Yet these frameworks remain fragmented, unable to fully unify the universe's forces and dimensions. The Cookbook for the Universe transcends these limitations, offering a cohesive model that bridges gaps, connects disciplines, and reimagines existence as a unified whole. The principles outlined in the Cookbook for the Universe challenge established paradigms and inspire new ways of thinking. They reveal the universe as a living, interconnected entity, one driven by symmetry, connection, and evolution. This is not just a framework for understanding existence, but an invitation to explore its infinite possibilities. By Orion Carl Daly IV.